Question 1, page 100. An object moved through distance. Can the displacement be 0? If yes, support the answer. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కార్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి పాయింట్ ఏ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది, 10 meters మూవ్ అయింది బీకి, మళ్ళీ బీ దగ్గర టర్న్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ ఏ పాయింట్లోకి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ దాని జర్నీ ఎండ్ చేసింది. యూ కెన్ సీ దట్ ద యాక్చువల్ పాత్ ట్రావెల్డ్ బై ద కార్ ఈజ్ 10 + 10, సో డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 20 meters, whereas displacement will be the distance between the starting point and the ending point. Starting point ఏవే, ఎండింగ్ పాయింట్ కూడా ఏనే. ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికే వచ్చింది కాబట్టి there is no value, no magnitude, therefore displacement here will be 0. The side of the square is given as 10 meters and the perimeter would be 4s. The entire distance for one round is 40 minutes and the time taken to cover this entire one round is 40 seconds. Therefore, speed can be arrived at with the formula distance by time. Distance is starting to, this is the initial point and this is the ending point. Therefore, that is the time taken for the travel, which is 1 meter per second. The time given for a certain displacement is 2 minutes 20 seconds. We are supposed to find the displacement for the same, which will be, the units should always be in agreement, so these minutes need be converted. 1 minute is 60 seconds, therefore 2 minutes would be 2 into 60, and this being 6 seconds and this being seconds, it will be 140 seconds. As you can see here, for every second 1 meter has been covered. For 1 second 1 meter was covered, so for 140 seconds 140 meters have been covered. But you should remember that this is distance, not the displacement, actual distance traveled. First round takes 40 minutes, 40 seconds, that was given here, and he will come back to the starting point. First round 40 seconds happened. Now 80 seconds, second round he will come back to starting point, so again displacement is 0. Now third round he will take 120 seconds and again he will come to this starting point and again displacement is 0, because final point minus initial point, if they are both one and the same, then displacement is always 0. This is most important thing. Now 120 seconds completed out of 140, the remaining time is 20 seconds. In 20 seconds he will cover 20 meters, and you know 10 and 10 makes this point, so this is the displacement. At the end of 20 seconds, 4 minutes 20 seconds, yes, so at the end of 120 seconds the displacement is 0, and by the next 20 seconds the magnitude of displacement needs to be found out, because he is at the other end and this makes a, this being a square, once again this is a right angle triangle. If I can give some ABC here, AB is 10, BC is 10. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, AC equals to root of 10 square plus 10 square, which is nothing but AB square plus BC square. 100 plus 100, which is root of 200, which is nothing but 10 root 2. Answer will be 10 root 2. Yeah, that is the displacement.